No matter what you want to achieve in life, on the drums or off the drums, there's actually no substitute for just like doing the work. Get on with it, do the practice, do the reps after reps after reps, and be patient and the results will come. That's actually a lesson that I've relearned recently over the last few months while working on my kick drum. And I want to show you that today. Now I was ended up with a little bit of knee pain. Not like in the knee kind of pain, but the bit that joins your quad to your knee sometimes got a bit sore when I was doing gigs. I was having to try too hard. I felt unbalanced when I was playing, and see if trying to play 3 or even 4 notes on the kick drum, just couldn't do it. And so I did what any self-respecting online drum teacher would do, and I blamed my gear. I spent hours looking at my pedal, researching different possibilities of pedals. Maybe I would get all of the Sonor pedals and try them all out, until it dawned on me, well, maybe I just need to practice. So I decided to do 2 things. Firstly, I would just get on with it and I would actually practice, put in the time and be patient. And secondly, I would experiment around with doing some stuff heel down. Because I was trying to use my ankle, but it wasn't controlled enough. I was trying to use my leg, but it was too clunky. And so if I actually strengthened my ankle through some heel down practice, maybe I would see some benefits. Spoiler alert, it totally worked. Doing a heel down has really helped. Really loads helped. And practicing consistently, doing the same things over and over again, increasing the tempo as I go, has massively helped. Now, I've basically been doing like 20 minutes every day, which is a combination of a couple of different exercises or loads of different, a rotation of different exercises, and then one specific thing, which I'll show you at the end of the video. So here's a selection of the exercises I've been doing. I did this one which is 5-5-3. Basically, I'd play 5 notes on the right foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as 16th notes, 1 E and a 2, leave a little gap, then do another 5, and a 3 E and, little gap, and do another 3, 4 E and. So da 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 da. Now I was doing that all heel down, started off pretty slow, but it sounds like this at roughly the tempo that I can do it right now. If you're struggling to play that, what you do is you remove the hands. Just play the foot. Anyone can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, da 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 da, da 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 da, za za za, va 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 va, na 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 na, da da da. Anyone can do that. You can do it really slow. And the idea of doing 5, 5, and 3 means that 2 and 3 or 2 and 4 becomes super easy. The next thing I've been trying to do and trying to master, which to be honest I've been doing for years, is hand-foot singles. And I saw this El Esteban Subiero guy, him, you know the guy, super fast. And he did this triplet into 16th note thing. And it really helped. So I was just doing 1 triplet, 2 triplet, hand-foot singles, same hand, 3 E and a, 4 E and a, do good, 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 do good. Switch to the left, do good, do good, do good, do good. That sounds like this. So those 2 exercises plus infinite variations of hand-foot singles and bass drum builders have really helped. But what's really reinforced this idea of doing the work is a Chris Coleman exercise. This one actually. Now, I can't play it that fast, and I definitely can't play it heel down that fast, but the idea is that you play a hand pattern, unison 8th notes, unison 16th notes, whatever you want to do. Keep a backbeat going for a bit of spice, and then read New Breed. New Breed is an incredible book. You should all have a copy of it for some various different cool things that you can do with it. And I've just been doing 5A, which is one of the later 2 reading texts and the most dense. And what I've been doing is I've been doing it heel down. And I started at 60, And every day I felt it was better, I went up by 1 beat per minute. So I went from 60 to 61 to 62, 63, 64, all the way up to about 83 over the course of, I think, a month and a half or something. And my foot just couldn't do it heel down, so I switched to heel up, managed to get it to about 90. Do the work over and over again. The same thing, time and time again, is the only way to get results. And it's a lesson I've learned that I'm going to carry forward. I'm going to be patient with myself. I know this stuff takes time. I say it to my students all the time, but sometimes you need a reinforcement yourself. It takes time to do this stuff. It takes time to get vocabulary into your playing, phrasing ideas, rudiments, faster hands, faster feet, better coordination. But all that time is totally worth it when you sit down at the kit and just play freely without technical limitations. That's what I'm working on. That's what I constantly work on. That's what I teach in my online drum school, davemajormusic.com, where you can learn to practice smarter, practice more efficiently, and break away from patterns and regurgitated chops and play with freedom. So all the info is in the description below if you do want to go check it out. But for now, just do the work, guys. Just practice, work your hardest, be consistent, be patient, and it will all pay off. I'll see you in the practice room.